Morning everybody, Luke Gordon here, talking about some different massage tools that we've been using lately in the clinic. And I've got kind of a spread here, so I'm going to show some different techniques that you can do for just some self-massage at home for things like sore muscles. So the first thing I'm going to show you is we've got a couple different rollers here. And these are kind of fun. We've got, both of these have kind of a plastic on them and they roll independently over like a metal core. And then Aram, for those of you who know Aram and know he likes to inflict pain and torture, he's got like a solid metal one. But these ones are a little bit better for self-massage. I got both these on Amazon for about 20 bucks or so. And the reason I like these, and we use them in the clinic as well, is that they're really easy to use. So say you're a runner or you just have some pain in your calf. If you can get your calf to relax like this or sitting, you can actually do a nice little self-massage. And these little red rollers will roll with you so they won't stick to your skin. I don't think these have any specific name to them, but there is one online also called the Tiger Tail. It's about 30 bucks, and instead of having plastic, it's more of like a thick foam. So for like an individual use, you might even like a Tiger Tail better, but for the clinic, the plastic works better for us because it's easier to wash and stuff like that, and then we'll usually go through clothes. But you could actually go directly on your skin. This one just has like some ribs in it, so just a little bit different feel. But so that's a good one for your calf with the roller. You could roll your quads as well. Just get them in a relaxed position like this. And you could also do hamstrings. Hamstrings are a little harder to relax in a shortened position, but you can get in there, especially if you get up more towards the big portion, like the muscle of the belly there. A little bit more you can do on here. You can't quite see here, but you could do a little bit of IT band here too. So some nice, really cool techniques, and again, just for about 20 bucks or so. The other one that we've been using lately is they have these massage balls, and this one came in a 3-pack here. But they're basically like a hard lacrosse ball. And self-massage for these, again, you could get down and put that on, the surface or the floor, and you could get your calf on there. This I should show you. And you can roll your calf along there. It's a nice kind of a deep tissue massage. You could roll hamstrings on there. And then for a lot of people who have that pain up like into their buttocks, and we're doing some deep tissue type massage, maybe like with an elbow or another massage tool here in the clinic, you can get that under there. And so you would actually lay on it, and this can be pretty intense, so, test the waters first. Stephanie's making a scary face at me right now as she's filming. But actually, it feels pretty good. And you can do like some sustained deep tissue massage and not have to bother, your spouse or your brother or your sister or whoever to come do that for you. So those are pretty cool. You could try a tennis ball at home too if you don't want it so hard. Another cool thing you can do with these over the tennis balls, you can tape 2 of them together, and then if you stuck that up against a wall, you can roll up and down the balls here along those muscles that run up and down the sides of your spine. I don't know if you can hear me saying that. So up and down the sides of your spine, those get real tight on people. It's a pretty nice, again, deep tissue massage. If you were real brave and maybe you had the tennis balls instead of these lacrosse type balls, you could put those on the ground and actually roll on the ground. So another good one for your back there. And then the last kind of tool I have, we use these a lot here in the clinic. This is a foam roller, and this is my favorite one for an IT band roll. So if you're not familiar with the IT band, I mentioned it earlier, that's that really tight band that runs along the outside of your thigh. If you push along there and it's tender, usually it's your IT band, that can affect things like the tracking of your kneecap and contribute to knee pain. And for a lot of people who are real active, like runners and hikers, that can just get real tight. And the best way to massage that is to foam roll it. So if you follow me this way, I'll show you the foam roll. And again, if you have a painful IT band, this can be a little challenging at first. Some people will put like a towel on there for a little extra cushion. So there are ways to modify it. For me, my IT bands don't particularly hurt, so it's not too bad. But I'll get my right IT band right on there, and I'll just roll up and down. Stephanie, again, looks like she's in pain just filming this, so maybe she's got some issues we need to treat. So that's a good one for IT bands. A lot of times too, then I'll roll this way, and you could get into your buttocks there. It's not nearly as bad as that massage ball, because the pressure is distributed over a greater surface here. Okay, you can lay on your stomach and roll your quads too. So, long story short, there's a lot of good ways that you can use pretty cheap massage tools at home just for some longer lasting relief. So you've got the rollers, the balls, and the massage or the foam roller here. Pretty much all of them you can get on Amazon, or if you need help you can get them through us. We stock the foam rollers, and we have a lot of these laying around now too. The nice thing too I got this in a 3-pack for $15, and when you're not massaging, you can practice your juggling. Right, Steph?
That's great.
Yeah. Okay, so that's my hidden talent. I promised people that in the email, if you got the email about this video. So there you go. If you have any questions, of course, about ways to get rid of muscular pain, or if you've got ongoing pain in your buttocks or an IT band issue and this doesn't get you over the hump, of course, feel free to contact me either by leaving a comment in the video, or I'll leave my contact information with phone number and email. So I hope this helps. Have a great day.